In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict line drawing to vertical and horizontal directions in AutoCAD. This technique can be especially useful when you're working on projects like floor plans, where a lot of the design elements need to be perfectly aligned, either vertically or horizontally. Understanding how to do this can really enhance the precision of your work and make your drafting process much more efficient. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to start by selecting the Line tool from the AutoCAD toolbar. This is where your drafting truly begins. Once you've selected the tool, go ahead and click on the screen to set the first point of your line. It doesn't have to be anything exact just yet. We're focusing on understanding the direction constraints. With that first point now established, you are probably accustomed to freely dragging your cursor to determine the direction and length of the line. However, when specificity is crucial, you'll want to lock the direction of your line to ensure it is perfectly horizontal or vertical. To do this, simply hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Now, it's important to note that you should allow about a 1-second delay while holding the Shift key. During this pause, you'll notice that your line's direction will become locked to either a horizontal or vertical path. This ensures that no matter how much you move your cursor, the line remains straight in the desired orientation. It's a subtle but powerful way to maintain accuracy in your drawing, especially when working with designs that require consistent alignments. Now, there's also a keyboard shortcut that you can use if you find holding down the Shift key to be cumbersome. This is where the F8 key comes into play. Simply pressing F8 activates the ortho mode, which automatically constrains all lines you're drawing to remain either perfectly horizontal or vertical. This toggle is an excellent alternative and can significantly streamline your drawing process if you're doing lots of repetitive actions requiring strict directional constraints. It's also worth mentioning that you can switch ortho mode on and off as needed throughout your project, giving you flexibility while maintaining precision. Both of these methods, using the Shift key or F8, serve as reminders of how many resources and shortcuts AutoCAD provides to make your design work both steady and efficient. And once you familiarize yourself with these methods, they'll become second nature, allowing you to focus more on your design's creativity and less on its technical constraints. So there you have it. By utilizing the Shift key or the F8 key, you can easily restrict your line drawings to vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing accuracy and ensuring everything stays aligned just as you envisioned. Happy drawing! And until next time, keep designing with precision.